If you've ever tried making AI videos, you know how hard it can be to find a good tool that lets you create high-quality content without paying every few generations. We've all been there, going on YouTube to search best free unlimited AI video, and all you find are tools that just want your money and don't actually deliver value. Well, that ends today. I'm bringing you the 3 best free and unlimited AI video generation tools. And heads up, one of them can generate video with sound, from background audio all the way to realistic voices. So your content feels way more professional. I'll also show you the best hidden tricks inside each one so you can use them like a pro. We bring you the best free and unlimited AIs every week, so hit like, subscribe, and leave a positive comment so you don't miss anything. Alright, first up is the new version of Grok AI. You might already know it, but the new version comes with a lot of new features. When you first open it, you'll see the usual interface where you can generate text and research whatever you need. But what we care about right now is the Imagine section. Once you're there, you'll see a gallery of creations from other users, which instantly shows you the level of quality this tool can produce. Before you generate anything, there's something really interesting. If you click on a generation that catches your attention, you can hit Video Options and reapply a preset video animation. Like this one, you'll see in a second. Now we've got that same video redone in case we want a different vibe. And if none of the preset animations convince you, you can just write your own prompt so the video gets remade exactly how you want. As you can see, the quality is insane, and the audio quality stands out too, because it's not some generic background track. It actually matches what you generated, like in this case. You can hear the instruments in the background. But what if you don't like the video, and what you really like is the look? Easy. Just click the image section and you'll see the image the video was created from. And here's something even crazier. If you hit more, you'll see that using the same prompt that made that image, it can generate hundreds of images and videos, basically as many as you want. If you keep scrolling, it keeps generating more. It's practically infinite. And when you find one you like, you just click it and hit Make Video. You can use a prompt, pick a preset animation, or let the AI animate it however it thinks is best. If you click Edit Image, you can ask it to change small details so your final video looks exactly how you want. And of course, once you're done, you can download it. And if you need to continue later and don't want to lose your progress, don't worry. If you click this section here, you'll go to Favorites and you'll have a history of everything you've been generating. That way, you can organize it with no problem. But now, let's get to the truly interesting part, making your own videos. And in 1 minute, I'll give you a trick so if you want your characters to talk, they do it consistently with lip sync. In the image section, you'll see a bar at the bottom where you can type a prompt. If you click here, you'll see you can generate both images and videos in any aspect ratio. 9:16 if you want shorts or TikToks, or 16:9 if you want horizontal content. You need to leave the other settings exactly like this, because if you increase them, that becomes the paid option. And since we want everything to stay completely free and unlimited, we're leaving it like this. Now, to create content, you've got 2 options. You can select video and type a prompt that generates exactly what you asked for. Or, my favorite method, select image, and from the images it generates, choose the perfect one, the one that matches what you had in your head. Then, once you've got it, you turn it into a video using the method we just saw. And as you can see, without even mentioning sound, it already gave us really good results. But what if we want our characters to talk? In that case, we need to add something to the prompt. We're going to tell it to make sure the character has lip sync and that it says the following. And in quotes, we write the exact line we want it to say. Watch the result.
You're about to see the simplest way to make AI videos. Stop paying for AI.
Today, we're only focusing on video generation with sound. But as you can see, this tool has a ton of extra features. Let me know in the comments if you want a specific video breaking down everything Grok AI can do. In 1 minute, I'm going to give you free access to an AI platform that will help you turn any tool into real results. Thousands of people have already transformed AI into their new business, and with this, you'll learn exactly how to do it too. Outskill, the first ever AI-focused educational platform to accelerate AI learning for people like you and me. They're hosting the 2-day AI Mastermind training live this Saturday and Sunday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on both days. And right now is the perfect moment to join because you can get in absolutely free for the next 48 hours. This 16 hours AI training has already built 10 million plus AI first professionals worldwide and is rated 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot. People from marketing, finance, operations, product, and engineering join this just because this is something which is not specific to any industry but is now needed across every one of them. This is where you learn how to build AI agents that plan, write, execute, and report for you. Automate workflows that run even while you sleep. Connect tools like Sheets, Notion, CRMs, and email to create profitable systems. Use AI to save hours every week and get an unfair advantage at work. Not just that, you'll also learn how to profit from these skills. People from this very training have launched AI-powered services that bring in $3,000 to $4,000 weekly just by applying the systems they're taught. To kickstart your year, you also get premium lifetime bonuses like the AI Prompt Bible, the AI Profit Roadmap, your personalized AI Toolkit Builder, only if you attend both days. And here's the most interesting part. When you sign up, you'll get access to the 2026 AI Survival Hackbook, a comprehensive compilation of the upcoming AI shifts in 2026 and the practical steps you can take to be prepared. Seats are limited. Use the link in the description to join. P.S. Join the WhatsApp community to stay updated before the big blast. The next AI tool is one of my favorites, and Meta AI also has new features. Just like before, you get an interface where you can create all kinds of things. But what we care about today is video. If you scroll down a bit, you can see the quality of the videos it generates. Honestly, in my opinion, even better than the tool we just saw. Let's click into one, and you'll see that besides being a social platform where you can watch other people's AI videos and download them, you can also hit Remix, ask it to change the prompt, and basically create a video using the same image from a video you liked, just with your own twist. But what we really care about is this. What this platform does best is in the Create section. Here, you'll see an interface I use a lot for our videos, where you can create high-quality clips. My workflow is simple. First, under Image, I select the format, horizontal or vertical. Under Aesthetics, I recommend testing them. The ones that work best for me are the ones you see on screen. Then, you just paste in the prompt for what you want to generate. And as you can see, it generates 4 super eye-catching images. And the best part is that since this tool is unlimited, if you don't like them, you just generate again, no problem. Once you've got the one you like most, click it. Here, you'll see a few options. You can apply a restyle if you want a preset look, edit the image to change something specific, or animate it. To animate it, meaning turn it into a video, you have 3 options. First, you can just hit Animate, and the AI will analyze the image and animate it based on what it sees. The second option is Custom Animate, where you write a prompt telling it how to animate it. The third option is still in beta. Right now, it doesn't work for me, and it's Animate with Lip Sync, which is supposed to add voice to your video. When that feature is available, I'll make a full video explaining it in detail. But once you've got your prompt ready, hit Generate, and now you've got your video. As you can see, it turns out exactly how we wanted because we made sure to pick the perfect image first. And once the video is generated, you can also apply a restyle or download it. But what if you don't want to go through the whole image generation process? Super simple. In this section, switch to video, and here, using just a prompt, you can hit Animate and it'll generate the video. Or you can upload an image, like a character you use in your videos, so that character appears without you needing to describe them. And on top of that, you can apply whatever restyles you want. As you can see, it has a ton of uses, from making animations for YouTube videos to creating clips you can stack one after another while you narrate a story. And none of these have a watermark, and as you can see, you can generate them in large quantities with no limits and completely free. And just like before, this tool can also generate text, do research, and basically anything you can imagine. So if you want a full tutorial, let me know in the comments. The third tool in this video is one most people don't know about, the new Hunyuan models. And as a reward for staying until this part of the video, I'm not giving you just one model. I'm giving you 2 really interesting ones. You just go to the Hunyuan page and register. Don't worry if you see it in another language. Right-click and translate it in your browser. Once you're here, click the Gmail option so you don't have to create a password or give any personal details besides an email address. And it can be a throwaway email you don't use for anything. Click this button, paste the code you receive in the email, and you're in. That's literally all you have to do. Once inside, you'll see a list of really interesting models, but the 2 we care about today are these, the video one and the image one. Let's start with the image model. Here you'll find powerful tools that paid models have, but here it's free and unlimited. Everything from generating detailed images to transforming existing ones into a new animation style. You can create, choose your aspect ratio, you can make basically anything. Once you've got the perfect image, we go to the next model, the video one. Here we'll describe what we want to turn into video, download it, and in the previous menu, we go to Hunyuan Video 1.5. Once you're in, you'll see a super simple interface where you just choose the resolution, 720p. Even if it looks slightly worse than 1080p, it generates much faster. And here's what I like about this tool. Even though you don't see an option to choose horizontal or vertical, it automatically matches whatever image you upload. If you upload a horizontal image, it generates a horizontal video. If you upload a vertical image, it generates a vertical video. So we add our image plus a prompt. I recommend turning on Prompt Enhancer so the result comes out much better. And look at the results. There's all kinds of stuff. And of course, free and unlimited. So generate as much as you want.
Those are the 3 tools I wanted to show you today. If you want all the direct links to the tools we used, plus all the prompts I used to get the absolute most out of them, I'll leave everything in a completely free PDF for everyone in the Discord, linked in the description of this video. Just join, go to the bot PDF channel, message the bot, and it'll reply. Send it the link to the video you want the PDF for, follow the steps, and you'll have everything ready for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.